Mom? Mom, say it to the camera.
Hi.
What's that in your eye?
Bakit?
I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Tama.
Huh? What, Mom? Mom, send it to Apok.
Sandali. Paano ba ito ina-RI ito?
Safe. Safe. Oh, what's that on your eye?
Bakit?
That scared me, man.
Tagal. Siguro mabagal yung kanya.
What? Mom, we have the same internet speed as downstairs. Come on.
Alam mo, Seb, tama ba? New King James Version. Apo.
Does that mean apocalypse? 72th.
Dami kaaratihan kasi.
No, I think it's hotmail.com.
Hindi, Yahoo.
Why does that have to have an email address when you could just have yours?
Tawagan ko.